Hi there. My Tesla Model S is recently out of warranty and the front driver's seat developed a squeak. So when you're accelerating heavily, you get a squeak as the seat flexes backwards. And I searched the internet, didn't find a satisfactory solution. People saying they were trying oiling the seat or replacing the seat. Often the problem was linked with the seat flexing too much. Anyway, let me show you what I found and what seems to work as a solution. So first of all, what you need to do to access the working area, identify which side of the seat the squeak is coming from. My seat, the seat was coming from the right-hand side. What I did is I loosened this plastic flap by removing this bolt from about this level here, but in order to do that you first need to lift this flap here. To lift the flap there are a couple of hooks that you need to reach under the seat and loosen. And what I've done is I've just illuminated the area under the seat to show you where the issue lies. And if I just place my finger, my index finger, just above the rail, above my nail, there is a piece of metal. Below my nail is a piece of metal. And what I'll now do is I'll flex the seat backwards. I'll apply a bit of pressure to the top of the seat, which is what happens when you accelerate. And you should notice that the whole seat bends backwards, that the two rails get closer to each other, and that there's a squeak. So if I just go backwards a bit, well, it's going to be rather difficult for me to show you that higher up. But essentially the whole seat flexes backwards. And now, by introducing a simple a piece of wood, a wedge, right, you can hammer that into place. If I now attempt to flex the seat, it's much stiffer, it doesn't bend backwards, and the squeak has disappeared. Now, let's see if we can see that wedge. Alright, a bit tricky to film here, but yeah, this point here, that's my wooden wedge, and if I apply force on the chair, it's much stiffer and it doesn't squeak. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hammer that in nicely. Better than paying for a brand new chair and expensive service, and I believe this sorted on the newer cars, but if they have to replace this older seat design, it may not actually work, the solution. So I would recommend that you at least give this a go. Hope that helps to reduce the problems you're having either with squeak or with excessive flex in the chair. Thanks for your time. Hope that works for you.